Oh my god, Halloween is coming. I'm so excited. Yes, it'll be so fun. Have you got your dress ready? Oh my god, yes, I'm so ready. All I need to do is put on my abaya and I'm done. Wow, that's such a cool idea. Can we go together? I'll wear an abaya too and we can look like nuns. Nuns? Why? You know, like from the nun? Okay, but what are you talking about? Halloween? Like trick and treating? No, silly. Trick and treating is haram. I'm talking about the chocolate sales, like putting on an abaya, going to the store, and buying lots and lots of chocolate. Oh, thanks for telling me that. I didn't know trick or treating is haram. I'll come with you to the store instead and let's buy chocolate together. Assalamu alaikum Philippines, I hope you enjoyed that video. Now, about why Halloween is haram. Normally, not every cultural celebration is considered haram unless and until it conflicts with our Islamic beliefs. People celebrate Halloween with the intention of getting rid of ghosts. They dress up in costumes, they light fires, they use pumpkins, and they have this belief that it will get rid of ghosts and scare the ghosts away. In Islam, as Muslims, we don't believe in ghosts. We do believe in jinns, but that's a completely different thing. So, believing in something that does not even exist in Islam and Allah has not even told us about ghosts, there's no such thing, that is considered shirk. You might say, what if you're doing this trick and treating thingy without the intention of following the shirk stuff and you're just doing it for fun? But the thing is that when something is haram and when something is considered to be shirk, and you're engaging in that activity for whatever reason, it is still haram and it's considered to be doing haram for fun. Would you ever do haram for fun? No, right? You wouldn't just drink alcohol for fun. You wouldn't eat pork for fun. You wouldn't do all of those things just for the sake of fun. So similarly, when scholars have said that trick and treating is haram because it has pagan backgrounds and shirk related to it, then it's just best for us to stay at home, be safe at home, sleep early, wake up the next day for Fajr, because going out at night and trick and treating and coming home late is going to affect your Fajr as well. But other than that, just stay out of it and have a great time. Enjoy our chocolates. Until next time, live your beliefs and stay tuned to Bliffy.